My name is Rolf and I have a background in electrical engineering. What I did at WBS Coding School is a data science bootcamp. The data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence always interested me, and I just wanted to get to know more about this. My final project was about basically search engines and large language models. At the end of our bootcamp, we got introduced to large language models and how you can work with them. I noticed very quickly that this is a technology that is not fully developed. The problem that I saw with large language models like ChatGPT is that they always provide an answer, but the answer is not always correct. That is problematic because you don't know how well you can trust the answer that ChatGPT or any large language model is giving you. So the purpose and the goal of my project is to help make large language models more honest and trustworthy. I came up with this analogy of Swiss cheese because Swiss cheese is a piece of cheese with a lot of holes in it. And that is basically how any real body of data, any corpus looks like. There is no such thing in the real world as infinite knowledge. And these holes mean there's a lack of information. So I thought it's very helpful if you can have some kind of indication, some kind of number, say, that tells you how relevant the answer is that you're getting with respect to the question that you asked. If you have this relevance number that I developed alongside the questions and the answers of a large language model, you can judge for yourself whether the answers you got from the large language model make sense. I made 2 search engines, and each of these search engines I gave limited domain knowledge. Like in my example, I gave them 1 book, each search engine a different book. And these books might have some overlap, but they're about different topics. If that is the only knowledge that a search engine has, this only book, if you ask a question that is about the book, then you expect to have a relevant answer. But if you ask a question that has nothing to do with the book, you cannot hope to get a relevant answer. What you do if you have a book, for example, like I did, I uploaded a book. What you have to do in order to get these data points, chop the book up into sentences. You just take some words or some letters, and then you have all these pieces of information. And for that, you use a large language model. A large language model is able to model a language, so it has some understanding of a language, and it turns it into a point in your knowledge space. The idea is logical that if you want to make a better search engine, that you want to feed more and more information in it, and that's what some big tech companies have been doing over the past decades. Still, even if you feed hundreds of millions of books in it, it's still a Swiss cheese.